How's it going, guys? My name's Andy from Urban Herbs, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing you to the beautiful Mojito Mint. Do you ever think that plants have personalities? I always think that the Mojito Mint, if this was a dance, it would be a samba. I describe so many of our beautiful herbs as fun and fruity varieties, but actually the Mojito Mint really does look fun. It looks like it's come to your herb garden to have a party. What's really cool about this variety is that the foliage of this beautiful plant is going to be fueling your parties. Not only does it look like it's come to party, it's got a beautiful flavour, really fruity and kind of limey. Let's be honest, this variety is going straight into a cocktail. It really is gorgeous. I absolutely love Mojito Mint. You can grow Mojito Mint as you would grow many other varieties of mint. It's best to keep this variety in a pot because you can see that it's already sending out these little runners. It's going to want to travel, and where those runners hit the soil, there is a danger that it's going to take root. The roots themselves are going to spread, and it's going to expand, and it's going to fill or possibly overfill the growing space that you've allocated to it. So as with all other varieties of mint, it's actually best to keep Mojito Mint in a container if you don't want it to spread invasively. If you are happy with it spreading and taking over your herb garden, that's absolutely fine. A couple of years back, myself and my wife actually put a number of herbs, including Mojito Mint, in a flower bed for the drinks at our wedding. And within a matter of weeks, during the summer this is, it absolutely filled that space, and we were so grateful for that. Mojito Mint will grow in full sun or partial shade. We actually grew this previously in quite shaded conditions, and it grew more slowly but really well. Whereas a lot of herbs are going to want more free draining conditions, actually Mojito Mint is going to enjoy more moisture retentive conditions. It's not going to want to dry out. But this being said, it really isn't too fussy. You're going to find this quite easy to grow. As the plant grows, feel free to cut the plant back regularly, snipping off the leaves to put in drinks or to use in herbal tea even. But it's important that even if you're not using the plant, it's important to cut it back regularly, just to encourage more and more positive, healthy growth. So many people are reluctant to prune back their plants. They're worried about damaging them, but actually with a plant like Mojito Mint, it doesn't need much encouragement, but actually it will benefit from that pruning process. That's really important. Mojito Mint will grow very, very happily throughout the growing season, and then it will start to lose its foliage late on into the autumn. We were actually harvesting ours until late November last year. Once it starts to die back, you can even tidy it up, and it will shoot back and start to grow again from early the following spring, which I think is really, really cool. This plant is a keeper. It's easy to grow, it's great in a drink, what's not to like? I really hope that you've enjoyed this brief introduction to the beautiful Mojito Mint, and I hope that's encouraged you to actually grow this plant, try and find this variety wherever you are in the world. Have you met Mojito Mint before? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys, I'm Andy from Urban Herbs, and this is the fabulous Mojito Mint.